This is our human-induced hazards and disasters project. Our project was on the Deepwater Horizon oil spill, the largest marine oil spill in the history of the petroleum industry. About 4.9 billion barrels were spilled. Oil continued to flow for 87 days. BP claims to have spilt less than they actually did. The event occurred 20th of April in 2010 at 9:56 p.m. Central Time. Gas, oil, and concrete from the Deepwater Horizon exploded up the wellbore onto the deck and caught fire. The explosion killed 11 platform workers and injured 17 others, along with 98 people surviving without serious physical injury. The event lasted for 4 months, 4 weeks, and 2 days. The speed of onset, April 20th, the Deepwater Horizon oil rig explodes into the Gulf of Mexico, killing 11 workers and causing the worst environmental disaster in U.S. history. By June, oil and tar bars had made landfall on the beaches of Mississippi, Alabama, and Florida. In all, an estimated 1,100 miles of shoreline were polluted. The size of area impacted. The spill directly impacted 68,000 square miles. Oil flowed up the shoreline of Louisiana, Alabama, and Florida. As of 2012, 339 miles of coastline still need to be checked and cleaned.